Girl, boss, girl, boss. Make money and travel around. Real boss girl, give her the crown. Make money and travel around. Real boss girl, she run the town.
You guys asked, so here is a quick video of me getting microlinks done. Now, I've been seeing microlinks and tape-in videos popping up all over my feed, and I've always wanted to try it. So when I got an opportunity to get some microlinks done, your girl said yes, and I want to share with you guys the tea. So, what are microlinks? Microlinks are an extension method where the hair is attached with silicone microbeads or micro tubes. Unlike wigs, which are placed over braided hair, or sew-ins, which require all or most of your hair to be braided tightly to the scalp, microlinks allow for all of your hair to be exposed. The name of the salon is XO Beauty Loft. They're on Instagram, you can check them out. They're located off Waterloo Road in Kingston, and they only accept appointments only. They're not just about hair, they're into you can get your nails done, your lashes done, your brows done, so you can literally get a full beauty experience there. I'll leave their information in the comment section below, so the description box below, so you can find out more information about the beauty bar. Now let's talk about the experience. I would definitely give them a 12 out of 10. I'd give them top marks because everything was so good, from the space to the customer service to the finished product. Everything was on point. They definitely delivered. I'm a website designer, so I'm into aesthetics. I loved the black and white theme in the space. It's giving minimalist but high end. As a consumer, I was very comfortable. You know, the hairdresser, her name is Jillian, she was talking me through the entire process. So she would tell me the products that she was using in my hair and how it would, benefit my hair. And she was talking me through the process of the microlinks and, when to get it redone and how long I can have it in, and, just letting me know how I can style my hair, how I can protect it and keep it looking good. My only issue with it is just the duration of getting it done, but other than that, I love it. I will be doing a follow-up video on like how I style and maintain it. I'll be talking about the pros and cons of getting microlinks and answering your questions. If you have questions about microlinks, you can drop them below and I'll talk about them in my next video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please drop your questions that you have about microlinks and I will answer them in the next video. If you love the video, please like, comment and share. Until next time, guys. Bye.
Girl, boss, girl, boss.